Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we're going to delve into a critical topic that affects the lifespan of your machinery, lubricant oxidation. Throughout this video, you'll learn what it is, how it impacts your oil and equipment, and what you can do to prevent it. You're about to gain valuable insights that could potentially save your company's vital assets from substantial damage. Let's get started. Lubricant oxidation is a slow decay process of oil, which eventually results in ineffective lubrication of your equipment and machinery. This can cause major problems within industrial applications and even lead to substantial damage to your company's vital assets. That's why preventive maintenance tasks such as oil changes and lubricant testing are crucial to any maintenance program. So, what exactly happens during oxidation? The chains of hydrocarbons in the oil begin to break down. At first, you might not notice anything, but over time, oxidation starts to affect the lubrication of bearings and other components. When the chain breaks down, the molecules within the oil change their ability to handle the friction between two moving parts. To visualize this, imagine a floor covered with a single layer of same-sized marbles with a flat board on top. The board can move easily, as the marbles act like bearings. But when oxidation happens, it's like tossing a few ping-pong balls under that board. These larger balls alter the way the board moves across the marbles, making it less effective and generating more heat. Since good lubrication is so vital to the proper operation of machinery and equipment, many equipment manufacturers, third-party organizations, and internal maintenance programs will test for signs of oxidation. For example, you can use a viscometer to check the oil's viscosity. Oxidation causes the oil to get thicker, which can hinder the proper functioning of equipment. Companies might also check for moisture, which can lead to clogged filters, or speed up the oxidation of acids that will eventually corrode metal. You can use infrared spectroscopy to check moisture levels. Some organizations also test for the total acid number and the total base number, which monitors oxidation and oil breakdown. Sometimes, a maintenance technician might see metallic particles in the oil, notice that the oil is darker than usual, or detect a foul smell. These visual signs can also indicate oxidation. If your company uses additives in its lubricants, there are more specific tests that can detect breakdown occurring within those additives. For instance, a magnetometer measures the mass of ferrous material, and a laser beam can help count and measure the size of particles. Let's talk about preventive maintenance considerations. By incorporating lubricant testing as part of equipment maintenance, companies can better monitor overall asset condition and take corrective steps before downtime or damage occurs. While many companies schedule regular oil changes, this task alone doesn't necessarily optimize equipment performance. Without lubricant testing, you might be changing the oil too often, wasting both labor and oil. On the other hand, if oil changes are too infrequent, you could damage your equipment or cause other issues. By conducting an in-service lubricant analysis, you're able to get to the root cause of potential issues. For example, if you can identify contaminants as a cause of oxidation, you can reduce or eliminate those contaminants and improve the longevity of your lubricants. It's also important to remember that you might need more than one test to get a complete picture of lubricant oxidation. Collect data points from your technicians who work regularly with equipment. Also, gather information from sensors that monitor viscosity through flow rates and conduct appropriate oil condition tests. This combined data can then help you determine when lubricants need to be changed and possibly identify the cause of oxidation. These components contribute to a holistic maintenance history of how frequently and under what conditions your equipment may require lubrication services. Thank you for watching this video. Today we covered the importance of understanding lubricant oxidation and its impact on your machinery, the signs of oxidation, and the importance of preventive maintenance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our services and resources, please visit our website at upkeep.com. Your machinery's longevity is our priority.